Okay, today I am going to make a video about using AI for your papers. So this is all in one, instructions on my AI policy and also helping you to start with your APA paper. You've already written hundreds of words, and you've written many things in your own words in this class. So I'm going to give you a tip on how you can use AI to take what you've written and turn it into a research paper. One thing you can do is you can copy and paste one of your favorite assignments, one of your favorite topics. You copy and paste what you already wrote. You put it into AI like Chat GTP, for example, and you say, how do I turn this 200-word thing that I wrote into a 1,200-word research paper for a community college class? No, specifically say an APA paper. And then it's going to tell you what to do. You can also say, polish up what I've written and help me turn it into a 1,200-word APA research paper, and it'll tell you what to do. If it doesn't automatically tell you research articles, say, help me find research articles to back up what I've written here and turn it into an APA paper with in-text citations. I hope that's going to help you, and to let you know that I do give permission to use AI. I just don't want you to go to AI and say, help me write my APA paper, because then you didn't do any of the work yourself, and it's not based on your true interests, and it's going to be dry and boring and probably going to stand out like a sore thumb about that you obviously wrote the paper using AI. So put your own touch on it, put your own flavor on it, and let's see how it goes. Don't be afraid. Get started as soon as possible.